Are you planning to launch an e-commerce store but need clarification on the potential expenses? Today, we'll uncover what it really costs to set up and operate a Magento e-commerce site, from basic setup to hidden expenses. Magento implementation cost is the total expense required to set up and run an e-commerce store. It includes everything from development and design to integration and technical support. Let's break down the costs. For design and user experience, you might spend anything from a few hundred for a ready-made theme to up to $40,000 for a custom design. Development costs can range from $5,000 to $67,000, depending on your site's complexity. There are hidden costs too. Don't overlook hosting, which can range from $10 to $50 per month for basic options and up to over $2,000 for dedicated hosting. Also, consider ongoing maintenance and the expertise needed for your development team, which can significantly impact your budget. When selecting a Magento implementation partner, it's crucial to define your requirements and choose someone who can meet your specific needs. Ask about their experience, previous projects, and how they handle challenges. To manage costs, start by choosing the right Magento edition. Open source is free, but for more advanced features, Adobe Commerce might be the way to go. Minimize custom development by opting for pre-made themes, and be selective with extensions to avoid unnecessary expenses. Think about the long-term ROI. A higher initial investment in Magento can lead to scalability, enhanced business efficiency, and better user experiences, which all contribute to higher conversion rates and growth over time. Understanding and managing the costs of Magento implementation is key to your e-commerce success. Plan carefully, choose the right partners, and focus on long-term benefits. If you found this information useful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more e-commerce insights, and remember to share.